There are over 33,000 tire-related crashes every year. And here's the uncomfortable truth most dealerships don't tell you. Tire brands actually matter more than most car features. Because the difference between a well-engineered tire and a cheap one isn't just price. It's braking distance, wet road grip, heat resistance, and whether your car stays stable at highway speeds. Look, if you're still buying tires based only on price, you could be risking your safety without realizing it. That's why today I'm revealing the top 11 best tire brands based on durability, traction technology, and real-world performance. And make sure you stay until the end because I'll also expose 3 popular tire brands you should avoid like your life depends on it. Because honestly, it does. Number 11, Falken, racing technology on the streets. From the beginning, Falken wasn't meant to be an ordinary tire brand. It was created by Sumitomo as a high-performance division, similar to how Lexus represents Toyota's luxury engineering. That's why Falken focuses heavily on compound chemistry and tread engineering. Their tires use silica-enriched rubber compounds, which improve grip by maintaining flexibility in both hot and cold temperatures. This helps reduce hydroplaning and improves braking performance on wet roads. They also use advanced tread designs like 3D canyon sipes that increase snow traction by creating extra biting edges in the tread blocks. But what really makes Falken stand out is their heat management technology. When you're driving long distances at highway speeds, friction builds heat inside the tire, which can weaken the structure and increase the risk of blowouts. Falken designed a heat diffuser system that spreads this heat across the tire to prevent overheating. Number 10, Cooper, affordable luxury. Cooper built its reputation by making tires that last longer than expected without costing a fortune. In fact, the brand became so respected that Goodyear acquired the company to strengthen its market presence. One of Cooper's smartest innovations is something simple but extremely useful, the wear square indicator. It's a small visual marker molded into the tread that helps drivers quickly see if their tires are wearing unevenly or if there's a suspension or alignment issue. Most drivers don't notice these problems until their tires are already damaged. Cooper also uses high silica rubber compounds, which help maintain traction in cold weather while resisting heat-related wear in summer. This balance between flexibility and durability is why Cooper tires often last tens of thousands of miles. Number 9, Yokohama, the premium underdog. Yokohama has quietly become one of the most respected tire manufacturers in the world. One of the reasons is their unique rubber compound technology that includes orange oil. It might sound strange, but this actually improves the molecular bonding between natural and synthetic rubber, allowing the tire to stay flexible while maintaining strong grip. That means better traction in both wet and cold conditions. Yokohama also benefits from decades of motorsports experience, which they use to design performance tires like the Advan series. These tires are engineered to provide excellent road contact, stability, and heat resistance during aggressive driving. Even their more affordable Blue Earth line focuses on fuel efficiency and quiet performance. So whether you want performance or daily comfort, Yokohama offers strong value. Number 8, BFG Goodrich, the Sidewall Kings. Most people think tire failures happen in the tread, but in reality, many failures occur in the sidewall. That's why BFG Goodrich became famous for building extremely strong sidewalls, especially in their off-road tires. Their KO2 lineup uses a bruise-resistant sidewall compound that is significantly thicker than standard designs. This makes them perfect for off-roading, where sharp rocks and rough terrain can easily damage weaker tires. They also use self-cleaning tread designs that eject mud and debris to maintain traction. That means the tire continues gripping the surface even in difficult conditions. This technology originally came from desert racing. Number 7, Hankook, the global warrior. Hankook has grown into one of the largest tire manufacturers in the world, and that didn't happen by accident. The company focuses heavily on research and development, constantly improving braking performance, hydroplaning resistance, and tire longevity. In recent tire tests, Hankook scored very high in both dry and wet braking categories. The brand has also become especially popular for electric vehicles because EVs produce instant torque, which can quickly wear out weaker tires. Hankook engineered special compounds and reinforced structures to handle that stress. That's why companies like BMW, Tesla, and Mercedes use them as original equipment. Number 6, Pirelli, the racing genius. Pirelli is strongly associated with motorsports, especially F1. Being the exclusive tire supplier for F1 means the company constantly develops advanced rubber technologies to handle extreme speeds and loads. One of their key innovations is functionalized polymer compounds that adapt to different driving conditions. When you're driving normally, the tires reduce rolling resistance for efficiency, but when you push the car harder, the compound stiffens to improve grip and stability. Pirelli also developed noise-reducing technology to improve comfort during daily driving. However, performance often comes with a trade-off, and some Pirelli models can wear faster than others. That's why the next brand focuses on balancing technology with long-term durability. Number 5. Bridgestone, the technology leader. Bridgestone is known for combining innovation with long tire life. Their advanced rubber technologies help control heat buildup, improve grip, and increase efficiency. Many of their tires come with extremely high tread wear warranties, sometimes reaching 80,000 miles. Over time, that can actually save money compared to replacing cheaper tires more often. Bridgestone also developed advanced run-flat systems that allow you to continue driving even after losing air pressure. But what's interesting is that there's a lesser-known brand that offers similar performance at a lower cost. Number 4. Vredestein, the premium undertaker. Vredestein is often overlooked by average drivers, but respected by mechanics and tire experts. Instead of spending heavily on marketing, the company focused on engineering and design. Their tires are known for strong performance in comfort, traction, and durability. Independent testing platforms often rank their models highly for real-world driving conditions. Consumer testing has even placed them among the top tire brands in recent years. However, their smaller lineup is the only reason they aren't ranked higher, because the next brand is constantly pushing innovation. Number 3. Continental, the relentless innovators. Continental produces a massive range of tire models, each designed for specific driving conditions. One of their most impressive technologies is ContiSeal, which can automatically seal small punctures while driving. This reduces the risk of sudden tire failure. They also developed advanced rubber compounds that improve grip in different weather conditions. This continuous innovation is why many automakers choose Continental as original equipment. But even with all this technology, they still fall short of the next American giant. Number 2. Goodyear, the master of all. Goodyear is one of the most recognized tire brands in the world. The company produces tires not only for cars, but also for aircraft, racing, and heavy machinery. That wide range of engineering experience allows them to develop extremely durable and reliable tires. One of their notable innovations is using Kevlar reinforcement to improve puncture resistance. Goodyear also performs very well in customer satisfaction surveys, especially in performance and passenger categories. But despite all of that, there is still one brand that consistently ranks above them. Number 1. Michelin, the undisputed champion. Michelin has built a reputation for reliability, durability, and performance. One of their key innovations is EverGrip technology, which helps maintain traction even as the tire wears down. Most tires lose performance over time, but Michelin designs theirs to maintain strong wet road grip. They also use advanced compounds that resist cracking and aging, which is why Michelin tires often last longer than expected. While they may be more expensive, many drivers believe the performance and safety benefits make them worth the investment. Now that we've covered the best tire brands, let's talk about the ones you should think twice about buying. Number 3. Fortune, too good to be true. Extremely cheap tires often cut costs in rubber quality and testing, which can affect traction and durability. Number 2. Accelera, the safety gamble. Many drivers report poor wet road performance, which can increase the risk of losing control during rain. Number 1. Firestone, overpriced gamble. While some models perform well, past controversies and inconsistent quality have made many drivers cautious. Now you know which tire brands truly deliver performance and which ones could compromise your safety. But here's the scary part. Even the best tire can become dangerous if you make certain mistakes while driving or maintaining them, and that's exactly what I'll show you next.